How to allow camera and microphone access on Facebook Messenger in laptop. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Facebook Messenger in your laptop and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this interface, now navigate at the top right corner and next to this profile icon there is three dots icon. Click on that. From this drop down menu, click on settings. Now once you get to the settings page, again on your left hand side from this menu bar, click on privacy and security. Now here scroll down and click on site settings. Now under this size settings, scroll down a bit and under this permission section there is an option for camera and microphone. So click on camera first and there make sure that you have select the first option that says sites can ask to use your camera. And here you have to make sure that under this not allowed to use your camera, no sites added. Once you're done with that, again go back and now go to microphone. Here also make sure that the first option is selected. So whenever you use microphone or camera, sites will ask you to grant the permission. So from there you can simply click on allow. And similar, you have to make sure that no sites is added under the section that says not allowed to use your camera or microphone. Once you're done with that, again head back. Now go back to your Facebook Messenger page and here you can start either audio call or video call. So to start a video call, click on start a video call. Then click on call. Here it will ask for your permission in this pop-up box. So from there, click on allow this time. Now with that, you have allowed the permission for camera and microphone in your Facebook Messenger in your laptop. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.